Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop no people found error in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and trying to use your AirDrop but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your AirDrop, you see an error which is no people found. But so let's see how can you fix this. You just have to simply open your settings app. Very first you have to scroll down, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. After updating your software, you have to simply go back. And here I recommend you have to try to make a force restart first. So now to do that you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for your Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, go to your settings app, and here go to screen time, and here you just have to go to the content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back, and here just go to privacy and security section, select location services, enable your location services, then scroll down and look for system services, select that, and here further scroll down and look for significant locations. Just select this option and you just have to try to enable this toggle to enable significant locations in your iPhone. Then go back from here, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not, because sometimes your phone's location services are disabled. So that's why you can't find any people on your AirDrop. But if you're still facing the same issues, go to settings app here, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network setting, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way you have to simply go to your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple's Photo app. Open this app here, then select iPhone from here, select this more option, and here you just have to simply select AirDrop, then wait for the loading, and select get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.